hardest things we had to do in scale up of our business. Because 2020 decided to not partner with fintechs who had a 0-0 business. It was a very hard decision. You walked out of a few dozen deals and you have let your competitors walk through and take over those deals. We saw so many customers or prospects going to competitors and signing up with them. It was based on a lot of financial discipline. Why are we into this deal? Just for a logo? As going went tough from the 22, 23, 24 onwards, a lot of those firms no longer exist. A lot of the people who were catering to them were left with large unpaid bills. We were validated much later. It was one of the